So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in date and time settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you're going to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, once you're on Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you're going to click on extensions and then click on manage extensions. You can try disabling your extensions one by one. So just disable it one by one and then see if any one of these extensions are causing a problem. For the next method, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right and then click on history and then click on history again. Now you're going to click on delete browsing data. You're going to make the time range all time and you're going to select cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select cookies and cache and then click on delete data. See if that works. For the next method, on the left hand side, you're going to click on about Chrome. It's now going to start checking for updates. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.